Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails read in Outlook. This is a super handy feature when you've got a cluttered inbox and want to quickly clear all those unread messages without going through each one individually. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails. Depending on how many messages you have, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything syncs up. You want to make sure all your emails are fully loaded before you proceed to the next step. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. This is where all your incoming messages are stored. Now, here's the beauty of Outlook. Marking all your unread emails as read is actually quite a straightforward process. You don't need to click through each message one by one, which would be incredibly time-consuming. Simply locate the inbox folder where your unread mails are stored. This is typically your main inbox, but you might also have subfolders or categories depending on how you've organized your account. Once you've found the right inbox folder, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your inbox. From this context menu, you'll see an option labeled Mark All as Read. Go ahead and click on it. The moment you do this, all your unread emails in that inbox will instantly be marked as Read. You'll notice the bold formatting disappear from all those unread messages, and any unread count indicators will drop to 0. It's that simple, and it happens almost instantaneously. And there you have it. All your emails are now marked as read, giving you a clean slate in your inbox. This is perfect for when you've been away and have accumulated a bunch of messages that you don't necessarily need to respond to individually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.